This channel is for education purpose only. All videos, presentations, and writing are only for educational purposes and are not intended as investment advice. You can implement this while trading at your own risk and after consulting your financial advisor.
Imagine this. You roll over in bed, check your phone, and boom! You just made $117 overnight. No charts, no late night stress, no manual trades, just passive income on autopilot. Welcome to the new era of AI-powered crypto trading bots, where your money works for you 24/7, even while you sleep. In this video, we're diving deep into how complete beginners can make $100 per day or more using these bots safely, legally, and without needing to know a single thing about trading. Let's go. Why crypto trading bots? Are the future crypto is fast? Like really fast. The market never sleeps and prices shift every second. If you're trading manually, you're instantly at a disadvantage. AI bots? They're like tireless machines that scan hundreds of tokens per second, react to market news before the headlines even finish loading, analyze technical indicators in milliseconds, execute trades with zero emotion. That last part is huge. Humans panic, bots don't. And when markets crash, the bot doesn't get scared. It just follows the math. Today's best bots use advanced AI like natural language processing, NLP, to scan social media news reinforcement, learning to optimize trade outcomes neural networks to detect patterns invisible to human eyes. That's why hedge funds and institutional traders are already using these systems. Now you can too, without needing to code or invest millions. Top AI-powered crypto bots and how they work. Let's look at 5 beginner-friendly AI bots that are dominating the scene right now. 1. 𝐻𝐿. Simplicity plus power offers. 16 plus built-in bots right out of the box. Great for strategies like grid trading, spot futures arbitrage, and infinity grid charges. Super low fees, 0.05% per trade. Available on desktop and mobile with real-time analytics. Why it's great? 𝐻𝐿 is plug and play. You don't need to know indicators, candle patterns, or Fibonacci retracements. You pick a strategy, define your limits, and let the bot handle the rest. Even better, you can start with just $50. 2. BitsGap. Cross-exchange dominance combines AI signals with customizable trading logic. Compatible with over 25 exchanges like Binance, Coinbase Pro, Kraken, and more. Includes grid bots, futures bots, arbitrage bots, and combo strategies. Advanced dashboards with profit-loss breakdowns, backtests, and trailing options. Why it's great? Perfect for users who want more control and flexibility. Plus, you can monitor your entire crypto portfolio across exchanges in one place. The free trial gives access to full bot automation for 7 days. 3. 3 Copy top traders offers. Smart trade features with AI-assisted take profit stop loss. Access to a copy trading marketplace. Follow bots with verified profits includes dollar cost averaging, DCA, and options bots. Connects with TradingView for advanced users. Why it's great? If you don't want to build your own strategy, just copy someone else's. You can browse by profit percent, win rate, or time running. It's like hiring a pro trader without paying a salary. 4. Crypto Hero. AI for mobile-first users. AI-enhanced bots based on MaskD, RSI, Bollinger Bands, and custom signals. Web and mobile dashboard features built-in paper trading mode. Free version available. It's cloud-based, simple to use, and you can start without spending a cent. How to set up your first bot. Step by step. Let's break this down into simple steps. Step 1. Choose your bot. Pick a platform. If you're an absolute beginner, go with 𝐻𝐿 or Crypto Hero. If you want more control, try BitsGap or 3 If you want hands-free investing, go with Stoic. Sign up, verify your account, and connect your crypto exchange using an API key. Don't worry, this doesn't give the bot withdrawal access. It only allows trading. Step 2. Define your strategy. You'll see different bot types. Grid bot, buys low, sells high in sideways markets. DCA bot, buys at regular intervals to average out price trend bot. Buys during upward momentum. Sells on reversal arbitrage bot. Exploits price differences across exchanges. For beginners, start with grid or DCA. They're safe, simple, and consistent. Step 3. Set trade parameters. Choose how much you want to invest. Start with $100 to $200. Trade limits. Min-max per trade. Risk control features like stop loss. Take profit strategy automation, like trailing stop or compounding profits. The platform often gives suggestions based on historical data. Step 4. Turn on and monitor. Once you're live, the bot takes over. It scans the market, enters trades, exits trades, and logs everything. You can monitor real-time P&L, pause, share resume. Anytime adjust parameters as you grow more confident. Tip. Set alerts so you can track progress without checking constantly. Done. You've now got a passive income stream running 24/7. In the next part, we'll walk through how much you can really make mistakes to avoid and the best ways to maximize profit while reducing risk. Segment 2, real earnings, smart risk management, and profit-boosting tactics. Let's talk results. So you've got your AI crypto bot up and running. Now the real question is, how much can you actually make? Real earnings breakdown. What to expect? Most bots aim for small, consistent profits, anywhere from 0.5% to 2% per day, depending on your strategy, market conditions, and coin volatility. Let's break it down with a simple example. Starting capital, $500 daily profit, approximately 1% daily earnings, $5 per day, monthly earnings, 150 plus add, compounding. And that number grows faster than you'd expect. Now imagine you scale to $2,000 or $5,000 in capital. Suddenly you're looking at $50 to $100 a day, without touching a thing. Some advanced users report 3 to 4% daily gains using high-frequency or leveraged bots. But this comes with higher risk, and it's not ideal for beginners. The key here isn't quick wins, it's sustainable, scalable returns. How to maximize profits and scale up. Once your bot is stable and earning reliably, you can scale up and optimize for bigger returns. Here's how. Use compounding set profits to automatically reinvest. A $100 profit becomes $200 capital, which brings in higher daily returns. Add more bots. Each bot has a specific focus. Running 3 to 5 bots across coins and strategies multiplies your earning potential. Upgrade to pro features platforms like 3Commas, Bitsgap, and Pionex offer advanced analytics, AI signals, and trailing algorithms that boost performance significantly. Time the market conditions. In bull markets, aggressive bots like trend and leverage bots thrive. In choppy markets, grid bots and arbitrage bots work better. Switch strategies based on the market cycle to stay profitable all year round. Final thoughts. Why AI crypto trading bots are the ultimate passive hustle. Most side hustles still need your time, whether it's content creation, flipping products, or managing clients. But AI trading bots? They're your digital employees, working 24/7, never taking breaks, never making emotional decisions. They require no trading skills. They adapt to fast-moving markets, and they can turn small capital into serious monthly income over time. Whether your goal is $10 a day or $100 plus a day, the systems are in place. You just need to plug in and let the bots do their thing. Want more AI-powered income systems? This channel is built for that. We break down the smartest ways to build passive income using automation, AI, and zero fluff. If you're ready to escape the grind and start stacking digital income streams, subscribe to MoneyMatic Masters right now, and drop a comment if you want us to review or compare any trading bots in detail. Next video, we're going even deeper into AI strategies that outperform full-time traders without ever touching a chart. You don't want to miss it. Catch you in the next one. Legends. Computer Laptop Spreadsheet Rocket.